Hello students, now I am going to teach about the next part, which is in principles of inheritance and variation, ABO blood grouping, and several parts. Step by step each will come for 5 marks or 3 marks or 2 marks or same. So in that ABO blood grouping, see, I think this ABO blood grouping, the blood groups A and B and AB and O. This blood grouping named by and discovered by Landsteiner. So if you know the experiment, how will you say these blood groupings? Suppose in laboratory we will take 2 slides like this. We'll put, by pinching here, we put the blood here and 2 drops. Okay. So when suppose this is blood group A. So on that antigen, this is when you are keeping serum A, when this become like curd, it breaks. The first one will be plain and the second one will be break. So that is called blood group A by antiserum A. Antiserum B, again 2 drops. If that agglutination, the process is called agglutination, blood is breaking like curd. So if suppose the B is breaking, then it is B. Okay. If suppose both keeping and both are same, then it is O positive group. And if it is both are not breaking, if it is breaking, then it is AB group. The groups, this is to understand I am teaching. This is not necessary for this lesson. For this lesson what we need is the factors which are there here, the phenotype, where there are 4 phenotypes. Suppose the question comes here is the blood group phenotypes are 4 and genotypes are 6. Though phenotypes are called A, B, AB and O. And the genotypes are mentioned by IA, IAB, IB, IA and IB. This is for A group and this is for B group, this is for AB. Okay. So as you know already, in the blood group, universal donor is O, universal acceptor is AB. Okay. So these phenotypes and codominant, these are isoagglutinogen D genes. To know that only I have explained. The next part is why Drosophila ideal for experiments. The next experiment which has done for Drosophila, the T.H. Morgan chromosomal theory of inheritance experimentally proved by. Chromosomal theory of inheritance is proposed by Sutton and Boveri, but chromosomal theory of inheritance was experimentally proved by T.H. Morgan on Drosophila. Why he has taken Drosophila? Like tea plant only. In laboratory, if you keep uncultured medium, if you grow these eggs of these, then immediately easily grows. It comes immediately in a day. So the life cycle will finish within 15 days. Very easily. The insect born and die, the cycle will finish. The chromosome number, suppose they have asked, it is 2n is equal to 8. Suppose n is equal to 4. Double. So what are the other? They might ask in question, why Drosophila ideal for experiments. You can write it as these characteristics. It can easily grow and life cycle is less and exhibit sexual dimorphism. Female sex and male sex are separate. Heredity variations are there. You can explain like that. Even in the same, in next class I am going to tell about sex determination, what are the types, and the next part different like Drosophila and man. and suppose insects, birds, those were. So X chromosome or X body, both are same, was discovered by Henkin. So the theory of heterogamety, different. Hetero means gametes formed, different gametes formed. Corans, the scientist name here T.H. Morgan and Landsteiner, and this Corans, this scientist names for 1 mark it will come. So the Corans, homogamety and heterogamety. So the theory of heterogamety is given by because of different gametes. Homogamety is same gametes, in the name itself it is there, and several crosses and several solving problems we will do on this sex determination. Even in sex determination only, suppose it is human being. I have told already autosomes and allosomes. In this only, even suppose 46 pairs of chromosomes and 23 pairs. The autosomes are 22 and allosomes is 1 pair. So X and Y, this will come under this sex determination of the human being. So the next part, that is suppose 1, 2 and 3. The linkage we will learn in this even on the chromosomes, which are genes or heredity units. The linkage when they cross over in meiosis or mitosis, when the chromatids, as I already told, 2 chromosomes are getting paired up, then sister chromatids are formed. Then those sister chromatids, when during crossover in those several phases, sister chromatids will form. Under that, the linkage you will learn. The linkage definition is for 2 marks, 1 mark it will come. It might come physical association of genes on chromosome. The physical association of genes on chromosome. The physical association, suppose if it is like this, the physical association is on the parts like this. The genes will be mentioning any disease or characters, what are physical characters we are getting. So the linkage is these combining these on the 3 genes on 1 is called linkage. Suppose complete linkage and incomplete linkage. When on same chromosome, the linkage has got associated, then it is called complete linkage. Genes separated due to crossing over. When crossing over occurs, like suppose this fragment, this is 1. This is 1 or this is 1, then these 2 are getting changed. The down part will be crossed like this, then crossing over. The crossing over, definition of crossing over also you have to learn. So due to these recombinations also, the several genes which are forming here, the recombination also, the linkage and recombination part is very important. So due to this, tightly linked genes will have less recombinations. When the genes are tightly linked, 1 gene, 2 genes, these are nearby, then less recombinations. If they are loosely arranged, then it can separate. It can separate. This gene will separate, that chromatids will exchange. The colors will change. I showed because of that. So these are called these are called linkage and recombinations. The next part, which in these only, which we are going to learn about, these are even several problems will come under these, and the next even including these the other lessons are pedigree analysis, pleiotropy, aneuploidy, these will come. And the next part which I am going to explain, even the definitions between these even Pleiotropy. The definition of pleiotropy. You have to learn pleiotropy. And polygenic here, inheritance and variation. So what is pleiotropy is, the definition is single gene product may produce more than one effect. So alleles will be seeds, suppose any those TT or BB in Drosophila, and a single gene can exhibit many phenotypic expressions which we are learning in further lessons. Phenylketonuria is the disease. So even in this only, smaller genes, seeds will be wrinkled round those seeds by showing different. Suppose a polygenic expression of a trait by 2 or more number of genes. More. Suppose here the genes will be same, showing same. Many characters, many genes in one change. In inheritance, many genes, several like this are coming, are called polygenic. Here different. This is different. For suppose in further when I am teaching example of, suppose they will phenylketonuria, they will question will come is what is pleiotropy, and mention with examples. In biology, writing every definition you have to always mention example. You have to always mention example if wherever diagram is necessary or flow chart is necessary. If you write complete information, it will be easy for you to score marks. So this, when I am explaining the gene disorders, chromosomal disorders, I will explain that phenylketonuria, what is the disease. Okay, pleiotropy come under that. Not only that, even another point is along with this mutation. Okay, mutation is nothing but sudden change in DNA. The mutation, what is mutation and the types of mutation. The sudden change in DNA which is causing even cancer. The sudden change in DNA is called mutation. On DNA, suppose this is what DNA or the like this it will be there chromosome, on that genes will be there. Any change, the small change will cause different diseases. So this mutation is two types: point mutation at same point, and another one is frame shift mutation. So where the gene at certain point the change has come, if the chromosomal, see, suppose if it coming when those mitosis, meiosis and in womb, mother's womb, any when calculation are happening, these any change in these will leads to, suppose the XX, this another extra X come, one another disease, or it reduced and gave or Y another extra, anything adds diseases like that. In a certain point of gene, the point, only one point, suppose it codes for gamma, these codons genetic code will be there, the complete this single gene is which is like change, and suppose the double helix structure of this, A is pairing with T, G is pairing with C, these are coming. Suppose the single point is point mutation, frame shift is complete change of that codon which is coding for that. This codon, suppose on DNA A, U, G, C, T, A, like that if it is coming, the complete this changes and another codon will come, then it will be frame shift mutation. This is causing several even chromosomal mutation. The example for the chromosomal mutation is the Klinefelter syndrome, even which is causing mutagen. The disease causing gene is called mutagen, which are discovered by due to X-rays. They say, suppose you are going to near X-ray room, or those rays are disturbed the chromosomes, so you should not expose to even UV rays. These, why these are happening? Because of these this leads disruption of the DNA. These are the things. Even pedigree, there are pedigree analysis. You have learnt about mutation now. The next part is the next part which I am going to explain is pedigree analysis. What is that? Pedigree. Name itself. Suppose in Mendel laws and examples, in Mendel's law and examples, there is a sums, generally in NEET and other things, there are different, when they are crossing, there are several problems which you have to know. I keep on explaining this lesson only. So pedigree analysis is analysis of inheritance of traits for several disease generation in a family. The genes which is like, suppose the male will be shown by, see the family tree when they grow like this, these will come. Suppose the male and female and the daughters. The pedigree analysis of chart and disease which are shown like these are, I am going to, the symbols you have to, before doing the sums, you have to know the symbols. So if sex is male and female, these. If it is unspecified, transgender, then it is shown by this. If it is like the marriage between far people who are not relatives, the marriage is shown by this connection which has. If it is shown by 2 bars, then it is relatives. Means like your uncle, you are getting married, it will be shown by 2. And even affected individuals will shown by dark color. Always when sums they are giving, the affected individual, which is healthy individual, those will be like this, plain. But which are affected, then those are completely dark. Okay, you should know this exam, these also will come. So affected individuals, these symbols are shown by affected individuals. And the family tree will be drawn like this, and the daughter and like this, somewhat like this, the next generations will show. And parents and children, these are the standard symbols they have given. Even they are asking for autosomal dominant pedigree, which are polydactylity, tongue rolling, these diseases also, even polydactylity, having another finger, like that is one problem. And roll, twisting finger. In Telugu one word, and in Kannada twisting tongue, when they are talking it comes, that is also one disease. Like that, these even autosomal recessive trait pedigree, autosomal dominant trait pedigree, they shown by different kind of diagrams. You can see here the diagrams from first. If you suppose this part you have to learn from NCERT textbook, then observe carefully these diagrams. What kind of, please learn carefully the round and wrinkle, how it is showing. Even you can search internet for these several. If you get any doubt, even the characters which is showing contrasting characters, stem height, tall and dwarf. This is the pea flower which they are showing. You can observe the tall and dwarf plant. Even instead of learning, I wrote like this and mentioned everything. And this is the incomplete dominance which I showed already. The color of pink flowers are coming, and the blood group, this you have to learn such. But for this, suppose dihybrid cross which I wrote in square way, which will be easy for you to learn this. Instead of this, you draw that kind of diagram. So again, for recombinations and linkage, these diagrams, and For Drosophila, you can observe the characteristics, different characteristics. What are those? From here you can, if you want point by point in exam, you please write by point. And these recombinations which we are showing here is the diagrams which is linkage, complete linkage, incomplete linkage. These diagrams. So pleiotropy definition is there. And next we are going to the last end part which I have teach just now. These family tree of diseases which are affected individuals are shown by the red, these things. So further, this is the symbols I have drawn already. Then these diseases we are going to learn further. So please read the book, and next class I am going to teach you the Mendelian disorders and gene disorders, genetic